welcome to the Ewing Family channel, and I think my dog is about to bark. Anyways, my name is Latoya. Demarcus is in the room, just chilling. Today is Sunday, October 3rd, and we're doing a cooking vlog. Do y'all hear that? Hold on. Mason, say hey to the vlog. Say hey. Say hey to help Mason. 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 Oh my God, y'all, he likes to people watch. Okay, Mason, I'm about to cook, so be quiet. Okay, so like I said, we're doing a spaghetti vlog, or a cooking vlog, and we're cooking spaghetti. Okay guys, so this whole weekend, I have not been feeling 100%. I have been having like a sinus headache, so, ooh, I hope it's not. I've been having a sinus headache, so comment below if you guys suffer through that. If you guys have headaches frequently, what do y'all use? Because if I look or sound not 100%, it's because I don't. This whole weekend, I just have not been feeling well. But if you guys suffer from headaches, sinus headaches or whatever, what do you guys use to alleviate the pain? Because I took medicine and my headache got worse. Yeah, I ain't feeling that. So we didn't even get to do the things that we wanted to do, but I'm definitely gonna do a cooking vlog for y'all today because I put out that community tab post and you guys said you wanted a cooking vlog, so I gotta show up. All right, I'm gonna show you guys what seasonings I use and what meat I use. And also too, I'm trying not to make this too long because I'm hungry and I just kind of want to chill. So, all right, y'all, hold on. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with some of the seasonings. And there is one particular ingredient that I'm not gonna show y'all because I'm gonna keep that secret. But I only use like a little bit of like all of these and, you know, add to my liking. But I sometimes will use the salt-free like Mrs. Dash or Dash. Oops. I always have to put some Italian seasoning even though the sauce is already seasoned, but it's never seasoned to how I like it. Now, I put a little bit of this. Ever since like I had moved to Louisiana, I never knew of Creole seasoning, but since someone put me on, I kind of put this in almost everything. So I definitely put a dash of this. And then in most of my foods, I always put onion powder and garlic powder, like in almost everything. So, and like I said, there's one other ingredient that I use. So then we're gonna move to meat. Oh, I'm so sorry, y'all. Hold on. All right, sorry about that, y'all. So I don't really use ground beef. I always use pork sausage with my spaghetti. Comment below if you guys use sausage or whatever meat, whether it's like ground turkey, chicken, beef. I typically always use pork sausage in my spaghetti, and like this is gonna be enough to last for us for a few days because I'm not cooking a lot. Now we're gonna move on. I love the tomato, basil, garlic from Prego. For me, it has like a little bit of like a kind of sweetness too. And it's easier to like kind of season, like add these seasonings to this. And since I already used some of this, I do have some traditional Prego to kind of top it off or add whatever else I need. So this is everything. And like I said, for the third time, I use like a special seasoning that y'all ain't gonna know. Okay, now let's get to the cooking. finally finished the final product. Okay, as you can see, yum. These are that I can have the first bite, because usually for those who follow us, he's the one who tastes it first. So come here. He's in the room. He just took a shower, y'all. Really good.
That food always good.
You think so?
Yeah.
Here, I'll feed you.
Oh, she gonna feed me.
I am.
Oh.
Mason said, all right, y'all. Mmm. You didn't even chew it, son.
Man, you know, I love spaghetti, man. Spaghetti is my favorite dish.
Yeah, and that and burgers. So one day we'll have to do a burger vlog.
Yeah.
Because I like to put like a fried egg, barbecue sauce, hot sauce, cheese. Like, I like to do all of that stuff.
Man, that's good.
Oh, I didn't put like me on this one. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching the vlog. Come here, babe.
And her food delicious.
Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching Cooking with, I wasn't about to say us, but Cooking with me. Thanks for watching the vlog. You like it?
Yes, I love it. You know, spaghetti is my favorite dish. I'm about to tear down. I'll wrap it up.
No, you wrap it up.
Thank y'all for watching. Tune in. This woman can cook. I thank her for cooking this meal. It means a lot to me. Give her a shout out in the comments. Give her a shout out. Say shout out to. Give her a shout out. Say. Anyway, thank you for watching. Tune in next video.
Oh my god. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And give her a shout out.
And subscribe.
She did her thing. She know how to cook. Right? Good woman right here.
Oh, thanks, babe. Oh
yeah.
my gosh.
And her birthday coming up. Yeah. She need them presents.
I'll be 32, guys. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next vlog. Bye. Bye-bye. Mason said bye, too.